What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you the VIP Reception Keycard on the brand new airport map. This one's a little bit dangerous to get to, as it is inside of the main control tower in the center of the map, which you'll need to enter through the medical or the military zone. Once you've entered, make your way up the stairs in the center over here, and onto the second floor, where on the northeast side, we can make our way into the office using this door or this one. This room in the center is the one that we can access with our keycard. Once we unlock this door, we can head inside, and unfortunately, even though I used the keycard, I didn't check the other side. So it cost me a use, but anyways, inside of this room, you get yourself a suitcase, a document box, and an electronic safe right over here. Usually pretty worthwhile as it is such a high value loot zone, but of course, I just didn't bother checking the other side, which wouldn't be too difficult just looking through the glass. There are 2 entrances to this room, so keep that in mind. But yeah, that's it. A super simple guide. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.